Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to reduce our electricity bill for Samsung front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung front load washing machine, but these steps could be applicable for other brand washing machines too. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Our electricity bills go crazy all the time. We can blame the climate, we can blame the government, but we can also apply some practical tips to save some money. This comes handy when we use our washing machine all the time, every day. Even if we have a 5-star machine, we can still follow these methods and get the same good results. Let's see the ways one by one now. Number one, using cold water. We can replace hot water with cold water for washing our general clothes. We can do like this. We can manually change this for almost all the wash cycles. But for heavily soiled clothes or baby wear, we can prefer hot water for cleaning them thoroughly. It is indeed an effective way. But for casual wash and lightly soiled clothes, we can go with cold water itself. Number 2, Super Eco or Eco Wash Cycle. This is specifically designed for washing clothes slowly, and it will do that in an optimized way. It will adjust the motor speed, drum rotation, and even use the detergent in a smart way. It will take a bit more extra time than other general wash cycles. Number 3, using quick wash cycles. If you have a limited number of clothes, then always prefer this quick wash program to save energy. If your clothes are lightly soiled and you don't want to intensely wash them, then using such wash cycles can do the job well and won't push the machine to its full power. Number 4, AI energy mode. To do this, we have to set up the Samsung SmartThings app. If our Samsung washer got Wi-Fi option, we can do this. After that, we can select our washing machine, services, and here we can enable or disable AI energy mode. This uses artificial intelligence to track our washing habits and our real-time electricity usage. Then it will do this automatic energy optimization to reduce our electricity consumption. Number 5, wash full loads. We don't have to overload our drum with all our clothes, but there is this handshake rule. Like if I keep my hand like this in an handshake way, I should be able to do that without touching the clothes. Like it should have enough gap to insert my hand like this. So we can always follow this. So make sure to add enough clothes to wash in one go. Number 6, use liquid detergent efficiently. Depending on the number of clothes we have and whether it is lightly soiled or heavily soiled, we can measure the liquid detergent quantity and add that in the detergent drawer. But make sure not to use excess quantity that may cause a longer rinse cycle. We can always use the detergent cap to measure and use for our clothes. Number 7, regular maintenance. If our washing machine is taking care of our dirty clothes, then we should also take care of our washing machine when it gets dirty. We have to regularly clean the detergent drawer, emergency drain tube at the bottom, and also most importantly to do drum clean regularly. We have several helpful videos related to these. Please check the links in our description. So yeah, that's all. Optionally, if it is a sunny day, then we can simply air dry our clothes instead of using the dryer. If your machine has that functionality, we can avoid that and we can simply air dry our clothes. We can give this a try if we want. These are the steps to reduce electricity bill for our Samsung front load washer. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.